We'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve audio not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on System at the top, and then go to the Video and Audio I/O tab. Here, you need to make sure that your audio device is correctly selected. Under the Playback Processing section, check that the speaker setup is configured to the right device output. If it's set to System Default, try changing it to your specific audio device like your headphones or speakers. After selecting the correct device, click Save and restart DaVinci Resolve to apply the changes. If the audio is still not working, another thing you should check is the timeline settings. Go to the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen and make sure your audio tracks are not muted or soloed incorrectly. Check the mixer panel to ensure that the audio levels are up and not set to 0. Also, verify that the bus output is correctly routed to your chosen audio device. Sometimes, you might have to relink or re-import your audio files if they were moved or corrupted. Go to the Media pool, right-click the audio file, and choose to relink to the right file path. Lastly, ensure that your system audio settings outside of DaVinci Resolve are working fine. Sometimes, the issue might be with the system sound settings. So check your device's sound settings to confirm that the output is set to the correct device and not muted. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.